Ulang.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The Honorable our lecturer, Mr. Heri Hidayatullah, and my beloved friends. Okay. Well, before we will start the presentation, I will tell you the title is Translating English to Vernaculars and vice versa, and the genre is education. And then I will tell you the members of the group is Eka Mulyana as moderator, and the first speaker is Winda Lestari, and the second speaker is Suhaili Elmawati, and the last speaker is Yoga Pratama Putra. Okay, the first speaker will be explained by Winda Lestari. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the moderator. Okay, what is translation? According to Oxford, translation is the communication of message from the search language to the target language using equivalent text. Meanwhile, according to term, translation means copying or moving sentence from one language to another. Meanwhile, according to the language, interpretation means description. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Eka, thank you.
Okay, thanks Winda Lestari, and the next second speaker will be explained by Suhaili Elmawati. Time is yours.
I will explain about the step translation. Step translation. First, we read all of the text, all of the data we get we get the data from the internet, and the second step is read and translate at the line. We read the data we get and translate at the line from English language to vernaculars and vice versa. And the third step make highlight in the hard work. Maybe that's all my explanation about the step translation. Back to moderator.
Thank you, Suhaili Elmawati, and the last speaker will be explained by Yoga Pratama Putra. Time is yours.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to me again as your third speaker. So in this chance, I would like to explain there are three versions of our project here, but in this chance, the genre is education. So there are three contexts here, as you can see on the slide here. For the first versions, this is the English version, and the second context is bahasa Indonesia or in the Indonesian language. So, but the last context here is vernaculars. We took our first language here as Sasak language. So, for the first translating English to vernaculars. So, in the first explanation here, I will explain what English version we conduct here. So we take the importance of education for teen. This is the title of our genre here. The importance of education for teen. As you can see here, education is an important thing for develop ourselves. Education is the tool for progress someone to be success. If we want to be success person, we have to looking for a knowledge as much as possible. Therefore, we as adult must adjust ourselves to surrounding environment. Okay, this is strange word here. We I mean our discuss before the presentations, before we presenting our project here. This is the strange word. Yeah, surrounding environment. Surrounding environment on the first paragraph on the English version. Okay, we continue the context. Surrounding and norms and values, customs and ethics in the society. Okay, this is I mean this is the usually word, yeah, the usually sentence. This is still can be translated into the vernaculars. Okay, the next sentence is adolescence is a period of transitions between childhood to adulthood. Okay, adolescence. This is the third strange word that we don't understand what the meaning is. So there is several of our English versions we cannot understand. Yeah. Okay, so we move. What is the translation of their strange word? I mean, or the strange meaning. Okay, we move to the Indonesian version here for the first paragraph. Pendidikan merupakan hal penting untuk mengembangkan diri sendiri. Pendidikan adalah alat untuk kemajuan seseorang untuk sukses. Jika kita ingin menjadi seorang yang sukses, kita harus mencari ilmu sebanyak-banyaknya. Karena itu, kita sebagai orang dewasa. Okay, we move to the English. Okay, wait. Okay, we continue the Indonesian version. We doesn't find what we looking for. Kita sebagai orang dewasa harus menyesuaikan diri sendiri dengan lingkungan sekitar dan norma lingkungan sekitar. Okay, this is the Indonesian. The English version. Surrounding environment. That is the strange words that we can understand in English version. Okay, we continue to the last versions of vernaculars. We using our Sasak language as the vernaculars here. Okay, before that, we start with the title of our konteks here. Pentingnya pendidikan bagi remaja in Indonesia. And then for the English versions is the importance of education for teen. But in Sasak, okay, Sasak language, the translations of Sasak language between Indonesia language and English version. Okay, this is the translations of the title to the vernaculars. Pentingnya pendidikan bagi remaja. I will read the first paragraph only so that you can guys understand what the meaning is. So, pendidikan no salah seke hal penting jari ngembangin diri mesa. You guys must still remember the third word that strange meaning, yeah. Okay, this is I will continue the Sasak versions furthermore. Pendidikan no salah seke hal penting jari ngembangin diri mesa. Pendidikan no alat jari majuan dengan adik na sukses. Lamun temele jari dengan sukses, kita harus pete ilmu sepenuh-penuh. Sehingga iya, kita sebagai dengan dewasa wajib sesuaian diri mesa kanca lingkungan sekitar, kanca normal, kanca nilai-nilai, kebiasaan, kanca etika lek dalam masyarakat. Nah, masa remaja no masa perubahan lekan masa kode jok masa dewasa. Okay, there are several the first paragraph for each context in another language, ya. For the first is English, terus the second then the second language we use the Indonesia, and the last vernaculars we are using the Sasak. Okay, moderator, can you switch into the next slide, please? Okay, thank you, moderator. As you can see again, like the previous slide, you can see here, we conduct 3 contexts here, but for the first context here, we are using the vernaculars because like the title of this chapter is translating vernaculars to the English version or to English language. Okay, so we move to the first context. Okay, as you can see, the title of the Sasak in the Sasak language, we cannot translate the bahwasanya in Indonesia. In Sasak we cannot translate the bahwasanya. So there are several trouble in Sasak. We cannot translate the Indonesia to the Sasak, and furthermore, and I mean the vice versa of bahasa Sasak language into the Indonesian language, especially this word, this for the first paragraph is bahwasanya. Okay, bahwasanya. Okay, we take a look for the Sasak. Nah, but in this vernaculars, bahwasanya in Indonesia, in Sasak we use saambe itu tahu pade. Okay. Sorry, pardon. Yeah, it's correct. But we more difficult to translate this section between vernaculars into the bahasa. Okay, we move to the another comparison between Indonesia to the English version, or the vernaculars into the English. Okay. We should compare the vernaculars version and the English versions. Okay. We can translate the vernaculars title of pentingnya pendidikan bagi masa depan to the English version with the importance of the education for the future. On the first paragraph, I will read the education is one of the most important efforts with to tackling ignorance and poverty happen. Okay. If you guys translate vernaculars into the English version, that will cannot be like this, yeah. If you guys can see the first context here, pendidikan salah seke upaya te jari cegah kebodohan. Okay, in English version, education is one of the most important effort we to tackling ignorance and poverty happen in our country, in Indonesia. We as we know together that with some weaving school benches, then that's people with our word, which is in Indonesia or Indonesian or English version. Okay, maybe that's all of our explanation about this translate and our result of translating English to vernaculars and vice versa. Okay, I will give it back to the moderator, please.
Okay, thank you for listening, and we said wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.